Hello everyone. So one more demo and we have done with the basic syntax of the Java programming. So I will show you the use of do while loop. So for that I will take the demo of finding factorial of a number. So one Java project, name of the project is Factorial demo. In that app class with main method. So right click on the project, new class. Name of the class is app and main method inside that. So I will check out that box and finish. So here I will write my code. So initial things are same. I will declare one number. I will accept that from the user. So scanner class object and then take the input from the user. I have already done that in other demos. So I can copy that code from the earlier example. So suppose I copy that from this file. So scanner class object, enter number. So this code will be same. Now what I want to do, I want to calculate the factorial of this num number. Now what is the factorial? Factorial is the multiplication of all numbers from 1 to that particular number. So I can do that using any loop. Let's use while loop. So while num is greater than equals to 1, I will multiply the number with itself. So suppose fact is one more variable, fact equals to fact into num, and then I say num minus minus, so that next time the number which is multiplied is the decremented value of the previous one. So fact equals to fact into num and num minus minus. Okay, so here num equals to sc dot next int. Okay, and here I will print the value of fact. So this is the code for finding factorial. So here I will say factorial of given number, factorial of given number is plus fact. So this is the code for factorial. So if I run that, then factorial of 5 is 120, 120. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that is 120. If you see the factorial of 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 2 are 24. So it is 24. So this is the program for calculating factorial. Now where I have used the do while loop here. I have not used the do while loop. Now what is the use of do while? Do while is used to in some special cases, if you want to implement any logic, either you can use that, either you can implement that using while loop or for loop, but do while loop is used in special cases. So here, if you know the factorial of negative number do not exist, okay, so when you write a program for a calculating factorial, you always expect some positive value. So here I will print message that enter positive number. Now if I run this, what will happen? It will give that message, but still if user enters the negative value, say minus 5 or something, then your code will not give the correct output. So in this case, I want to display the error message, or I want to rescan the number. I want to again scan the number till user do not enter some positive value. So that kind of thing can be done using do while in efficient way. You can do that in with other loop also, but do while is the loop which can be used efficiently in this case. So what I will do, I will say do here, and I will scan the number at least once. So here this is a code that should execute at least once before checking the condition. So num should be scanned first and then the condition should be checked. So I write do first, and at the end I will give while. So while user do not enter some positive number, that means while num is less than 0. So now if you give some negative value as input, it is again going to ask you the number Again, it is going to ask you to enter the number unless and until you do not enter some positive value. So that is the use of do while. So here now if I say minus 5, then it is not going ahead. It is again asking to enter the positive number. Again I enter negative value minus 2, minus 6. So it will keep on asking me the number till I do not enter some positive value. So once I enter the positive value, it will go ahead and it will print the factorial of that number. So this is the use of do while, and syntax is here. Okay, so this was about the loops in Java. So in the next video we will look into the arrays in Java. So thank you everyone. I will see you in the next video.